Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 August 2018, 00 of hour, 02 of minute and 21 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why does neck make a clicking noise? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why does neck make a clicking noise. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why does neck make a clicking noise. Possible causes of neck cracking. Crepitus, sometimes called crepitation or cavitation, refers to any type of noise or sensation such as a cracking, popping, snapping, or grinding sound that is heard during neck movement. The underlying cause of crepitus in the neck is still not yet fully understood. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.